Other things to consider when looking up your campsite is the water and sewer hookups. So some campsites have sewer hookups for those sites. Other campgrounds may have them for only certain sites, and some campgrounds, almost all campgrounds, will have a dump station. So if you don't have a sewer hookup, then when you're coming or going, you can go by the sewer dump station and actually dump your tanks in there. Another is water. Do you have fresh water hookup at the campsite? If you do, you can hook up. If not, you'll want to fill up your water tanks before you leave and make sure that you have that fresh water for when you're at the campground. So generally speaking, when we look at the amenities at the site, there's more, but the general big ones are 30 or 50 amp, the sewer, and the water. Of course, there's all the other small fun amenities, like do you have a picnic table and do you have a fire pit and those sorts of things, but you know, the basic ones are those basic amenities that allow you to either camp the way you want or not.